Hi guys, in front of me is Honor Power, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first, open your phone gallery. Now go to Contacts and choose the one that you want to personalize. Now select Edit, mark camera icon at the top of the list, and now you can either take a photo or choose something from the gallery. Okay, so there's nothing interesting in my recent photos. We also do not have any downloads, so let me just grab a photo. So once the photo is taken, tap on confirmation mark. Now it's time to crop it, maybe like this, confirm, and just mark on confirmation mark again to save it. And that's it. As you can see from now on, this photo is assigned to particular contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.